I did the first part of this video a couple of days ago. It was called the Beginner's Step-by-Step Acrylic Fluid Art. So it was making up your pouring medium, making up your paints, all the things that you will need for acrylic pouring. So I will link the video. Some of you watched it and were waiting for the second piece that I did in these colours that I'd mixed up. So if you're wanting to go back and have a look how to mix paints because you're not quite sure to make acrylic pouring paints, then I'll put the link in the first comment below this video, so you'll be able to go and have a look at it. So the photos that I showed you were the first piece that I made, and now we're going to do a second piece with those yummy colours. Okie doke, canvas 2. These are just 2 little canvas. This is called dipping technique. You've seen me do it before if you've watched my channel, is dipping on tin foil, acrylic, aluminium foil. You've seen me dipping on a bubble wrap, and this is just dipping canvas to canvas. So I call it a, oh my goodness, canvas sandwich. I will put my again. You can tape the back of your canvas, definitely, if you want to gift or sell it. But this one, I'm just for the purpose of doing the demonstration for you guys, I'm going to just leave it as is. So we might use a few different colours on this dip. So it's basically the same. Laying your paints, you can do it methodically, you can do the wiggles, and I was going to say too, if you want to have your paints really sparkle, you can add an iridescent medium, meaning it's like or metallic, can make your paint sparkle. So we'll go with the blue and the orange. Now what I find with these dips to get a really nice feathery effect is pouring your paint on there in a chevron, meaning like V's. So I don't know why, but these chevron V's seem to make the paint come out real feathery, which is really nice. So we're doing these V's. So just slow yourself down. I'm rushing here, I don't know why, but I'm thinking that the video might be a bit too long, but because it's a tutorial video, I guess you can come back and watch it, or just watch the bits that you think are beneficial to you. Oh. V, 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 V. Okay, I'm going to add some of that real dark berry delicious. Always love this colour. And put plenty of paint on there, and don't be afraid to, because we're going to get 2 pieces of art from this because I'm canvas sandwiching it. I'll just finish off with the white. Rightio, I think that's sufficient. I'm going to just get my other canvas and I'm going to sandwich it on top. So this one I find is good for beginners too. These 2 techniques are very good for beginners. Squidge it out with your hand, just so you press that paint so it covers all bits of both of your canvases. Then you're getting 2 for the price of 1. Probably could even squidge it 3 times, put another canvas on, we'll see. But again, just press it out nice and even. And just making sure your paints is coming out. You guys are playing. You're noisy. You're noisy. Righty-o. I am going to turn it this way so I can get both canvases on this little board, on this baking tray. Then just slowly lift your canvas up. Oh, OMG. How could you not be happy with that as a beginner? That just is beautiful. So easy. So, team building at work, YouTube staff, get on it. Show the people that you get involved in team building skills. Rightio, go over with my heat wand. Absolutely stunning, stunning, stunning. Very, very happy with that. That could stay exactly as it is. If you're missing any paint or even the edges, you can wait till it's finished and paint your edges when it's dry in one of the colors. Or you can do, this is just a balloon that's deflated. So you can do a few balloon kisses on it, any which way. You can press the balloon in again there and do a few balloon kisses if you want some more of that color lifted out of there. It's not, remember, it's your art, your rules, your way. Don't let anyone criticize you or to upset you or derail you. Just go along on your own merry way. Definitely your art room. So if you're doing it for team building skills, please don't criticise your work colleague. Always build them up. I just think I'm going to leave that. I absolutely love that. Love the colours. Really, really happy with that. Really, really, oh, trying to lift my other one up. Oh, I've already showed you in the previous video my other one. But anyway, wait on for the very end. And I will show you the dried pieces. You can gift these instead of giving a Christmas or Christmas birthday gift card. You can give them a small canvas like that. So much nicer. Very, very therapeutic and enjoyable if you don't stress over it too much. Remember, it's only paint. So I love to leave a message at the end of each and every video is if anyone is feeling sad, lonely or upset, please ring a family member or a friend. You do not have to suffer in silence. If that isn't available to you, then there is always a helpline in each and every country in the world, so I'm told. So there you go. I hope you had fun. I really hope you try this if you're a beginner. And to my avid viewers and watchers that have seen this all before and done it, I just hope you enjoyed the recap again. So my lovelies, I will say bye for now.